Imagine a world where trains glide effortlessly along railroad tracks, reducing energy consumption, minimizing wear and tear, and enhancing safety. That's the power of friction management in rail. Now, a new dynamic partnership between L.B. Foster, a global solutions provider of products and services for the rail markets, and FUCHS, the world's largest independent lubricant manufacturer, is revolutionizing the rail industry, unlocking a new era of sustainable and high-performance transportation. By combining the power of our shared innovation, breakthrough technologies, and advanced lubrication techniques, we will optimize the interaction between train wheels and tracks, reducing friction and enabling smoother, quieter, and more efficient rail operations. Our solutions increase train reliability, extend track maintenance intervals, and ultimately lower operational costs. This partnership is about bringing together complementary core values, expert people, best-in-class safety and support, and a shared vision to advance innovation. Together, L.B. Foster and FUCHS bring the widest available, market-leading portfolio of lubrication solutions and services from a single dedicated source, delivering rail lubrication around the world. L.B. Foster and FUCHS, working together to keep your world moving.